these organizers, guys, I did not know that this came in gray. I always thought that it came in black, white, pink, blue. When I went into the store and I saw it in gray, I fell in love with the color and the material, and it's very, very sturdy. I really like that. So let's get this bad boy out this box. This is how it looks straight out of the box. I like that it comes pre-assembled. All you have to do is put the wheels on. This definitely looks beautiful. So this is it without the wheels, guys. It's just for me to put the wheels on now, but if you prefer it without wheels, it is sturdy enough to stand on its own. And the wheels have like a stop thingy, so it doesn't roll around. But this is awesome. I love the material of it. These are the items that I got free at the brand source with my purchases. I also purchased this airtight food storage container. It's a 14-piece set. I'm not opening this set yet. I went to Met Wholesales Limited and I picked up some of the exact baskets that I saw at my local drugstore, and these were $25. And I paid $50 for one of these at my drugstore. What is happening? And I also found them in a different color, which is gray. So let's get all these baskets out of this bag. There are smaller baskets as well. Get them both in gray and in white. This is so cute. I love this. These organizers fit perfectly. I love this. I do have 2 packs of these remaining and 2 sets of these from paying $50 for one. So I still have to do some organization with these. So let's pack out some of these items. So guys, this is how everything turned out. I love this organizer. Everything about it. I still have a lot of organizers remaining, but I have more stuff to do. So I went to Wow Fashions and I bought 2 items, and on my way back I saw a convenience store in Kirep and I bought a few items. So I got all of these items at a convenience store in Kirep. I love these travel bottles. I got me some lashes and some lash cutter, I guess. So guys, I wanted to show you these items that I also bought at Met Wholesale. These are some toothpastes made in China. So we'll test these out and see how they go. And these two items to the side, blue and black, are pencil cases. So I want to use them for makeup brushes. I want to store my makeup brushes in these while I travel. And what caught my eye was this blue color. I just love this blue color. I saw this and I immediately grabbed it because I know what this is for. This is to put in the middle of your sink and use as a draining board. You could wash your vegetables in these. You know, I really like this. I love this. So we'll be testing this out. And this is a very hard plastic. I love this. So we have makeup brushes to the top. We have a little iron container thingy that I have my mirror, brushes and stuff. I have my spray bottle, my little blue foot thingy, all of my lip products, my face products, hand sanitizer to the top. That looks cute. To the bottom there we have makeup blenders, we have puffs, we have perfume kind of sample thingy, that right there. We have eyelashes. To the bottom we have sanitary napkins, makeup and travel cases. The other one we have like cream and deodorant and stuff. To the top we have a mirror, jewelry case. We have empty container that I'm trying to sort out still. We have foot cream, body cream. We have, these are just kind of keychain. There's a beauty blender in here, makeup wipes. We have makeup bags, we have head stuff, and we have hair ties, clips, and all of those good stuff. So guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed all of my organization, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. That's what this area looks like at the moment.